Alright, before we get started, I just wanted to wish everyone out there a very happy Thanksgiving. I hope you have a great day with your family or with whoever, friends. You know, go ahead and eat a lot, nap during the day, it's all good. Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Let's jump right into this week's channel shout out. Alright, time to draw this week's name. I was worried about these names clumping up on me. Seemed like they were doing that. I mean, there is over 100 in here. One popped out, and that is CARROLL. Sweet. She actually has 3 stickers. So next to James G Outdoors, Kevin's Adventures, Backpacking with Buckley, Michael Brunner, BC Gerbs, Mid Tennessee Outdoors, boom, boom, and boom. Well, Mark Kratz right there. James G again. He came out with another sticker. Plain old Chuck, Redneck Renegade. Sweet. Well, there we go. This week's channel shout out. All their information will be linked down in the description, and there'll also be something on the end as well. I always put their channel down there. And as always, let's not forget, I tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there, from our recruits clear to our veterans. And also, let's not forget, 22 a day, 22 of our vets take their lives. But you know, I also want to extend that shout out to our first rescue, firemen, our police, all those people who serve. I thank you, and I also thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.